These are the elevators at Cafaro Hall at Youngstown State University in Youngstown, Ohio. They have typical YSU Otis mods. They're probably, actually, this building I don't think was always YSU, so these ones might not have been Dover. 6. I think these Otis mods are done about 10 years ago. Here we go. That's his Lincoln building. I guess they renamed it. No chime. East elevator.
6th floor.
6. So I guess the other one's the west elevator, or maybe there's another set of elevators here. Back on the ground. Serial doors. Yeah, that might have been Dover, I'm not sure. It's pretty heavy mod. It's the same nice snap cab. This one is definitely a snap cab. I think they're all snap cabs, but not the top part. Visible at least. There's like cleaning products in here, and the floor is a bit worn.
Ground floor.
Here we go, ground.
Going up.
What goes in? That's gonna be good.